Just received this smart cupping device by REVO, and I'm coming on here to show you guys how it works. So first of all, I'm gonna unbox it and then we'll actually test it out. So it does come with a user manual and then some precautionary instructions of where not to use it. And then we've got a charging cable as well. And then here is the actual device. This is the gliding tube, and if you're using mode 2, you can use this one. But you can use this one with either mode 1 or 2, so I'm just going to be trying this one. And then we've got all the buttons up here. So to start, you're going to press this one. And then this one is the temperature control, so you can also have it warm. And then this is the cupping pressure. And then this one will be the suction release. And then also, just so you know, on the back of this is where you plug it in if you need to charge it. All right, I'm going to test it out on my ab, like right here. And we're just going to turn it on. And I just want to show you guys a bird's eye view of what's happening. So it's like pulling my skin, as you can see. It actually kind of hurts. I don't like these usually. It's kind of like getting in there, massaging it, and yeah, that's kind of how it works. I will also move it to the side right here so you can see better. Like my skin is literally in there. It's very interesting. And then I can kind of change the heat setting to 4, 5, 6, goes up to 12. Okay, so let's go to 12. And then this is the suction, like how hard it's actually sucking. And this is like a higher setting. Oh wow, yeah, that feels a bit stronger. And then it's supposed to leave a mark after. Right there. Okay, and then if you press this, it will release it completely. And as you can see, that's kind of the mark that it leaves. That's the legendary cupping mark. See that on somebody, you know that they've been using some kind of a cupping. But yeah, this is a pretty cool device. I love the fact that it has red light, like very intense red light, because it's really close to your skin. And then also it has heat and then the suction, which is amazing. I also love that it is like you can travel with it really easily. It's very portable. Just put this in your suitcase and then you're ready to use it in another country that you're in. So really cool device. I definitely recommend it if you're looking for something like this to go check this out on Amazon.